Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Workstation Pro. Once your browser is open, go to the top and enter support.broadcom.com. Once you're here, you're going to want to press register at the top right. Once you're on this screen, all you'll have to do is enter your email address and then the code below. Once you do that, you'll receive a code in your inbox that you'll have to enter again. After that, you'll be asked to enter some personal details that they will store and then use to verify your account's legitimacy. After you do that, all you have to do is go to the login at the top right. Now once you're logged in and you can see the main support dashboard, navigate to the top right where you see this drop down and then press Application Networking and Security. Here you'll see a dashboard. Just go to your left, press My Downloads. Once here, just click the little thing here, and then scroll all the way down and you'll find VM Workstation Pro. Then you'll find 4 different versions. Just click the top one and then press 25H2U1. This is the most recent version of VM Workstation Pro. And then all you have to do is press this link here. It'll bring you to the terms and conditions, which is required before you can actually press this checkbox. Once you click the checkbox, you'll be able to press the cloud button here to download the executable. If you followed all the steps correctly, you should now have Workstation Pro installed on your system. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, or even share it with your friends if you think they may benefit from it. Thank you all so much for your time. Have a great rest of your day.